Hey guys, it's Cameron with Bandzoogle, and today I'm here to walk you through setting up physical album sales on your website. We'll be covering how to associate a physical release with a digital release, as well as how to sell a physical version of your album separately if you don't want to associate the two or don't have any digital downloads available. To get started with physical album sales, we'll go to the Add Feature button and add a store feature to the page. From here, we can select Add Product and select either the vinyl or CD option depending on the physical format of your release. If you've already uploaded your digital album and want to link the physical release so that customers get an instant digital download, you can select the album from the drop-down menu. If you'd like to not include a digital download or don't have any downloads available, you can select Create a New Album here. After this, you can fill in all of the album's details and add the release artwork. From here, you can set your album's price and set the shipping options. If you haven't seen our video covering shipping, you can check that out with the link in the description of this video. If you're a Pro member, you'll also have the ability to mark the album as on sale, as well as use the inventory tracking options to keep track of your album inventory automatically. Finally, if you'd like to change the layout of your store, you can use the Options menu in the left-hand side to adjust between the grid or list display styles. And that's it for today, guys, so thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy selling your albums on your website, powered by Bandzoogle.